Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss about the farm to fork supply chain of the potato in the state of the Bihar. How the potato supply chain is there in the state of the Bihar. He will discuss about this issue of the Bihar. In this case, he will discuss about the abstract motivation, introduction to the food supply chain and its analysis, definition of the food supply chain, value chain analysis, structure of the research, current state of the potato production, global scenario of the potato production, domestic scenario of the potato production in Bihar, seasonality of the production in India, arrival season for the potato in India, usage of potato in India, legal rules governing the production of potato, APMC Act 1960, Model APMC Act 2003, status of the agricultural marketing in the Bihar, current state of the potato supply chain in Bihar, possible routes in a potato supply chain, functionary in the supply chain map for the supply chain of the potato both during the peak season and the off season, value chain analysis for the potato supply chain in Bihar, constants identify across the supply chain, on-farm constant, non-farm constant, logistic constants. Recommendation, promotion of the expansion of the organization retail, promotion of the association of the farmers and the small retail outlets, policy recommendation. Conclusion, bibliography and the appendix. These are the list of the figures are there and the list of the tables in the there. Abstract is there. The food supply chain in India is highly fragmented. The number of the intermediary in the chain is extremely high. These intermediaries are important because they act as a substitute for the infrastructure where none exists. But over the years, a layer of the intermediary has grown, most of which add little value to the produce, but collectively they add significantly to the final cost. This study carried out the state of the Bihar was found that the share of the farmer in the total margin across the value chain of the potato is considerably low and maximum part of the margin is concerned by the intermediary. The study has also analyzed the contribution of the value addition of the total price escalation along the value chain and the share of the farmer in the final retail price. The study has also listed the current constant in the system and ends with the recommendation towards weeding out the inefficiency from the current system. Motivation is given there. India ranks second world in the farm output. India is the largest producer in the world of the fresh fruit, pulses, mango, goat milk, buffalo milk, and meat to name a few. These are the motivation of the research. Definition of the food supply chain is given there, value chain analysis is given there, structure of the research is given here, current state of the potato production is given here, energy, edible energy per unit land is given here, world potato production from 1970 to 2008 is given here, percentage production of the potato country-wise is given here, domestic scenario of the potato production is given here, potato yield is given here, state-wise production of the potato is given here. What is the state-wise production of the potato that is given here? Potato production in the Bihar is that is given here. Arrival season for the potato in India is given here. Arrival season for the potato in India is given here. Bihar is the February to April. Arrival season of potato in India is the February to April. usage of potato in India. Legal rules governing the production of potato, Model APMC Potato Act, that is given here. Progress of reforms in the agriculture market is given here. Status of the agriculture marketing in the Bihar, that is given here. Current state of the potato supply chain in Bihar is given here. Common potato supply chain in Bihar during the peak season, February-March, is given here. Value chain analysis for the potato supply chain in Bihar is given here. Percentage of the value addition in the total price escalation is given here. Share of farmer in the final retail price of the potato is given here. Constant identify across the supply chain, on-farm constant, non-farm constant, logistic constant is given here. Lack of the quality inputs at the affordable prices is given here. Inferior farm technology, poor access to the formal credit is given here. Non-farm constant effective FMC market, absence of an effective legislation of the to check the collusion is given here. Absence of the effective supply chain management technique is given here. Low level of the processing is given here. Low stick constants are given here. Recommendations are given there. What are the main recommendations are given there? Following are the some of the recommendations to improve the efficiency of the supply chain. Promotion of the expansion of the organized retail. Promotion of the association of farmer and the small retail outlet. Policy recommendations are given here. Conclusions are given here. The margin analysis of the potato supply chain is given here. Bibliography is given here.